right, so we get in town, guys, and Angie Wilson, Johnny Wilson, they opened their home up to me, their lodge. They have 7,500 acres somewhere in there, a bunch, a whole county almost. And they opened it up to us and said, next time you're in Vidalia, do not rent a hotel. Come stay with us, and we're going to put you on a turkey if you come in the spring. So wouldn't you know, the Onion Festival and turkey season just fall hand in hand. So here we are at Heart of Dixie Outdoors. We're going to go see if we can't get it done on my first ever Georgia turkey. So you guys stick with us and see how it goes. So we get into camp there, we start looking at the onX maps, and he knows this property like the back of his hand. He's been doing this exact thing for over 25 years, and he knows every inch of this property. So he's telling us where the birds are going to be roosted. So we're getting a plan together, and the next morning we're going to be in the woods and we're going to try to get it done. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Georgia, the peach state. I guess in this scenario it's the onion state. So we're down here with our buddy Paul and Johnny. We got some birds gobbling about 817 miles across this nasty swampy bottom, but we are headed that way. Got two little fat boys running in the swamps of Georgia, so y'all stick with us. If we don't die, we're going to try to make a turkey die. All right. Little update here. Our bird off the roost. He didn't want to cooperate, so we moved. We're sitting in a big burn over in the pines. We got one goblin out here, so see if we can't get it done. All right, we got the slip put on us this morning. I'm talking to this guy, but we chased a bird, two birds, all morning. Gobble, 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 but no killing. They didn't want to work. They had hens, so unfortunately, we got to give them up for the day because we got to go to the Onion Festival. So we're headed over here, get us changed, jump in the truck, head back, go do what we got to do, and then tomorrow morning I suppose that we'll probably be right back here in the same place. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Stay tuned. But while we're there, we're going to go out and Johnny's going to show us the property and how different and diverse it is. There's everything from swamps to green fields, cutovers, hardwoods, pines. They're on a burning program every few years. They burn different sections every year, and just wildlife galore. So while he's driving us around, it don't take long for you to realize that he knows where he's going, what he's doing, because he knows every inch of this thing. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Georgia. It's day 2. We got one hot on a limb here. Got two, 3 birds gobbling, but this one right here we're close to, so we're gonna see if we can't get it done. He's gobbling his head off. Turkey over here just flew down. Alright guys, we're in a little situation here. We got two birds gobbling. We got one this way and one that way. So, don't know if either one of them's gonna come in, but we're hoping that one of the two does. So, that sun's starting to get high. We're trying to find shade. Y'all stick with us. I got old Paul here. Paul's with me. He's behind me filming, and we think this bird's gonna come into the decoy in front of us, but like always, you know, they don't. They circle, they do everything. We got so many different birds gobbling though, we don't really know which way to sit. So I kind of get pinned down. I got this bird coming in to my left. I'm self-filming. Paul's behind me filming also, but his vantage point is just as terrible for this bird. He never even sees it at all before I shoot it. And so this bird comes in and he's gobbling his head off, strutting, and I make a few soft yelps to him, and he comes out, comes right in front of me, and I'm able to get a shot. Down, baby. Your birds are so tough. Yeah. They got it, I don't know. I had it on record and it was pointing this direction. I just couldn't.
I was right over your shoulder, but I couldn't tell.
Did you ever see him before?
No. See, I turned. You know, it gobbled and it sounded like he was going left. So I turned facing that way. I have one window. I said, if he pops in that window, that's my only shot. When he kept gobbling this way, I never did it more than once. I figured that's what happened. That bird gobbled. This one was hammering.
But I definitely think an outcall killed him.
Oh yeah.
Because he was, I don't think you ever seen this, but he got to strut. He was strutting, and gobbling.
Oh, you could watch him strut the whole time?
I could see him the whole time. I just couldn't shoot him.
Well, I seen your hand. I seen your hand going real slow. I said, oh, he sees him.
Oh, yeah.
When you cut your camera on and spun a little bit.
But like, you got him here and strutting. Well, there's another turkey we that gobblers at him. Well, I think it was two gobblers. I really think it was.
Yeah. Well, that second bird, I ain't gonna be honest with you. When you pulled the trigger, all I seen was the other bird. I'm like, talking about? You sorry son's gonna eat a bit of Georgia. What happened? I didn't have mine switched off. I had the hammer caught like this. It sounded like he got something else.